Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator, and in today's video I'll show you how to use Pen tool in Illustrator 2025. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your toolbar right here. Go ahead and select your pen tools. So pen tools can be used for different things. For instance, you can draw a straight line with your pen tool. So click once, then make sure you press Shift key on your keyboard and then continue with your line. And then for you to cut this particular line right here, go ahead and press Ctrl key down and click once. Then you have a straight line with your pen tool right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my selection tool right here. Then I'll go to property. Then you have the property of the straight line you just draw right here. Now, when you draw this particular straight line here, there are a lot of things you can still do with this particular straight line right here. So from the property sidebar right here, you have fill, you have stroke, and you have the opacity, which allow you to lower the opacity or increase the opacity. Let's take a look at the width right here. So if you want to increase the width of this stroke, you can easily go ahead and click on here and then give different size right here. So this is 60, and then you can go ahead and use as many as possible different size right here. If you want to change the stroke format, click on stroke right here. Then you have different presets as far as the stroke is concerned. Then come down below right here and you have different type of stroke. Just like so, you have another beautiful stroke right here. So you can go ahead and then change on the preset. If you are not satisfied with this one right here, go ahead and change on another one. Then you can as well come back here again and go ahead and change this. You can also flip the shape different angle, just like so. So this is one of the best way to use pen tool to draw curve or to draw a straight line of your choice. Let's take a look at another example as far as your pen tool is concerned. If I go back to my pen tool right here, then we can use pen tool to create a shape or design as the case may be. Let's say, for instance, I want to make some curve. I start from here, then like this, then I decide to bend the curve right here, just like so. And this time around, I have to make sure I press Alt key on my keyboard. This will allow me to stop the movement of the pen tool right here. Then come to the top right there, press Shift key on my keyboard, and then continue like so. Then another one right here, I make sure I press Shift key. Then here, I can decide to close the part right here. Now we have a kind of nice curve right here. Now here, we can make use of fill this time around. Now this shape here was filled with white color. We can decide to come to the property sidebar right here, click on the fill. We can decide to choose another color entirely. So once you choose the color, it's going to automatically fill, just like what you see right here. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as your pen tool is concerned in Illustrator.